Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2023 Mazda MX-5 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlights, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, start removing any contaminants that the headlight may have. And with this one, you can have the hood a little bit open just to help clean the top edge of the headlight. So to start with the installation, all we need to do is just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. Place the film, and you want to start by aligning it right on the edge here first. So align it right on the edge, and the film doesn't cover the top section of the headlight because the hood will cover that part. So just make sure when you align it to the lower section of the headlight. So in order to tack it down on this side, apply Tack Solution, keep it aligned, and apply Tack Solution on top. Grab your squeegee and start tacking down this entire section of the film. Take your time when you're tacking down this section. Since it is a small piece, it's going to require that we tack it down completely, that way we're able to stretch and align the film to this side. And also, one thing you can do is apply a little bit of heat, that way we help the adhesive activate faster. So once we secured that section, all we need to do now is stretch the film to reach it up to the edge here, and then help it tack down with Tack Solution. So apply Tack Solution underneath the film, and then just do a light stretch until you reach to the edge. And once you have it on the edge, hold it in position and just start tacking it down with your squeegee. So apply Tack Solution on top, that way your squeegee is able to glide, and then tack it down. And just make sure before we seal the edges by post heating to remove all of the solution underneath the film, and then once everything's good to go, then we can post heat. So the last thing to do once you finish installing the entire headlight is to post heat the entire film. So just apply Tack Solution throughout the entire film, and we're going to use our heat gun just to help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel to help remove any solution that's around the edges and just help it tack down on the entire film. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So just take your time when you're doing this process. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2023 Mazda MX-5. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.